At Republic Services, we have a deep understanding of field-tested environmental services with proven experience in remediation solutions. From safety to compliance, responsiveness to results, we are the trusted service provider you can look to for a full range of high-quality products and environmental services. We know how to respond to critical challenges safely, reliably, and responsibly. We work with speed and agility, turning complex problems into simple solutions every day. We're leaders in remediation solutions. Whether you have a spill or soil, a pond or pits that need remediation, a large job or small, we have a solution for your needs. We excavate it. We drain it. We protect people from it. We restore it to its natural state. And we keep you compliant all along the way. We do it with teams of experts who make it simple and easy to do business, with proven experience in finding solutions for the most complex and unique remediation needs. We're passionate about being responsible stewards of the environment, committed to safety standards, and focused on comprehensive, integrated solutions that get the job done. We are Republic Services. We'll handle it from here.